Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Android's wind down feature. Bedtime mode is a digital well-being feature that allows you to restrict device activities when you need to take a break from your phone. On Samsung devices, the feature appears as sleep and is part of 5 modes: driving, exercise, relax, and work modes. With bedtime mode, you can set your sleep and wake up times and repeat alarms for them every day. The feature always sets up a do not disturb filter during these times to block calls, messages, and notifications. The Digital Wellbeing Dashboard provides its statistics on how you use your phone and tools for managing screen time. The dashboard is in the Settings menu, although you can pin the icon to your app gallery and access it faster. This option works on Google Pixel phones and similar models. Use the following this video to set up bedtime mode. First, open Settings, scroll up, and tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Then, tap Bedtime Mode. Go to Bedtime Routine. Use a schedule. Most compatible phones have additional options, such as turn on while charging. That's useful if you always plug in your phone or put in on a wireless charger before going to bed or taking a nap. Choose a start and end time if necessary. Select the days you want bedtime mode to turn on automatically. Then tap Customize to access more options. Automatically, Do Not Disturb mode is activated. To turn it off, tap the toggle switch. You will experience disturbances if you do so. To use grayscale, dark theme, and dim wallpapers, tap Screen option in bedtime. Then, tap Turn On Now to activate bedtime mode. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.